How to create an email account in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the email section and click on the email accounts icon. In email accounts interface, click on the create button. If you have only one domain on your account, this setting won't appear. To choose a domain, click on the drop-down list and select the domain on which you want to create the email account. Enter a username for your new email account. Under Security, you can either set a password by password setting link sent to your email or set password now. The default setting is set password now. We will leave it as it is and set password now. You can enter a password manually in the password input box or generate it automatically. By clicking on this reveal icon, you can display the entered password. To generate the password automatically, click on Generate button. Now copy and save the generated password in a safe place. Under Storage Space, you can click on the option button Unlimited and remove any storage limit for the email account. To set the storage space for the email account, you can enter the digits here and also select the unit memory through this drop-down list. To create folders automatically, leave the default selection. You can click to check this box if you want to create another email account after this one. Now click on the Create button. That's it. You can notice the newly created email account is listed here. You can check email and manage it from here. Thank you for watching.